So now let us begin with practice set 43. Question 1. Choose the correct option. If arc AXB and arc AYB are corresponding arcs and measure arc AXB is equals to 120 degree, then measure arc AYB is equals to dash. The options are 140 degree, 60 degree, 240 degree and 160 degree. So now we'll solve the sum. So question 1 solution. As we all know, the two corresponding arcs makes one complete circle. Yes, and the measure of complete circle is 360 degree. Is it? So we can write here the sum of the measures of two corresponding arcs is 360 degree. Yes, that is, suppose if we'll take, they have given us, yes, measure arc AXB plus measure arc AYB. What are we saying? Sum of the measure of two corresponding arc is equals to what? 360 degree. So we'll write here. Now AXB's measurement they have given us. What is that? 120 degree. So substitute it. Yes. Plus measure arc AYB. We don't know. So we'll write it as it is equals to 360 degree. Now 120 if we take to other side, what will remain at LHS? Measure arc AYB. Is it? Is equals to 360 degree minus 120 degree. Therefore, measure arc AYB is equals to how much? 1042. That is 240 degree. Yes. So, option number 3. Yes. So, the alternative 3 is correct. So, what you will do, children? Write the questions. After that, write the option and then make a arrow and solve this. And then tick mark the third alternative and write it in the box. Question 2. Some arcs are shown in the circle with center O. Write the names of the minor arcs, measure arcs and semicircular arcs from among them. So now we'll begin with the solution of second question. So they have asked us to write the names of minor arc, measure arc and semicircular arcs. Okay, so we will look at the diagram and write down the answers. So minor arc. Always remember minor arcs are smaller than semicircles and measure arcs are greater than semicircles. So first if we will see this much part, that is from Q to X, is it smaller than semicircle? Yes. So our first minor arc we can write arc QX. Now this is smaller. The greater angle or a bigger arc is this part. Yes. Keep the start and end point same. Suppose QX. Then if we will keep Q and if we will come to X, there are 3 names in between. Use any one name and complete the arc. Arc's name you can write either in 2 letters or in 3 letters. Now this QX I have written in 2 letters, that is minor arc. Measure arc to it will be QYX or QRX or QPX. Any from these 3, any one you can write. What shall we write? Q, Y, X. So we'll write here arc Q, Y, X. You can also write Q, R, X or you can write Q, P, X. Okay children. Now next major arc, minor arc will take from here to here, this to this arc after x, smaller, that is xp. Now this we have taken, yes, this part xp. For that major arc is here, you can take xqp or xyp or xrp, major arc. Huh? So what shall we take? Anyone? Yes, xyp. Okay, xyp. Did we write? Now this x and p is over. We will write now next part, that is arc PR. For that measure arc will be this part. Yes, so you can write PXR, arc PQR or arc PYR. Anyone you can write. For example, if we are writing PQR, then we can write arc PQR. Did you understand? Now PR is over minor arc. Now we'll go for the next minor arc, that is RY. Okay, so we'll write here arc RY. This is a minor arc. Now if this is minor arc, it's this part will be measure arc. So you can write arc RPY or arc RXY and or arc RQY. Anyone. For example, if I am writing arc RQY. Now next one, after this we are having the last part, that is, or this part, that is arc YQ. So now this is our minor arc, this will be a measure arc. You can name it YRQ, YPQ or YXQ. We will write it as arc YPQ. Over. Now the smaller arcs are over. Even children, is this a minor arc? QXP is also minor arc. See, huh? Arc QXP, 3 letter. Is this a minor arc? Yes. So we can write it. Now what will be the measure arc for that? This part QYP. Yes or no? Or QRP. Yes, anyone you can write from that. Arc Q Y, I am writing Q RP. Okay. Now if this 3 letters is an minor arc, if you will go further, again this is also minor arc. Yes. Then if you will go further, then this part is also minor arc. Yes. So in this way you will get many minor and major arc. So it is enough. We will stop here. Now we will see the next part, that is semicircular arcs. Semicircular means which are exactly equal arcs. Okay. So if you will see, this is a diameter. Diameter divides arc into equal parts. So upper one and down one are the semicircular arcs. So you can name this as QXR or arc QPR. What we will name? Anyone? Arc QXR or QPR. Anyone? Huh? Now this one, only one name you will have. What is that? Arc QYR. So this is the solution for question number 2. Question 3. In a circle with center O, the measure of minor arc is 110. What is the measure of major arc PYQ? So suppose this is a circle with center O, what they have told us in the question. Then they are telling minor arc's measurement. Yes. So minor arc is how much? Yeah, 110 degree. And they are telling us to find out the measure of measure arc, that we don't know. But they have given us the name of this arc, that is PYQ. Okay. So no need of diagram. We'll directly solve the sum. Did you understand the sum? What is given and what we have to find out. Yes. So if you want, you can also write given and find out in this way. Minor measure of minor arc is equals to 110 degree. Measure of major arc we don't know, so we'll give it question mark. Now what if we don't know, do we have like that one formula which we have learned? What is that? Yes, measure of major arc is equals to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. Is it? Do we have like this formula? So I'll substitute is equal to, son, I'll take here, or you can take below is equal to this 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc is what? 110 degree. 0 to 0, 0, 6 minus 1, 5, 3 minus 1, 2. So the answer is 250 degree. Yes, so you can write the last statement, you taking the help of question. Yes, so the measure of the major arc PYQ is 250 degree. Did you understand? So here we have completed the practice set 43. Write down the questions, the notes and the solution given to the questions neatly in your CW and complete the lesson circle neatly in your CW. So I hope you have understood the lesson, practice the sums and try to understand the lesson properly.